Bingo rules.
Something from the heart.
What else rules?
For you, Father God.
One
Praise the Lord.
is in a straight
I'm
line.
only human.
Whether it be up and down
I'm just a man.
or diagonal. So a regular bingo.
Help me believe in what I could be
What's a straight line?
and all that I am.
Why you have to be tic-tac-toe?
Show me the stairway.
Let's do this.
Straight line.
The first roll of the
I
night.
have to climb.
And 39.
And 39 going
Lord,
once,
for
going
my
twice.
sake,
39.
teach me to take
Sarah, get everything over there.
B13.
B13. B13 going once, going twice. There no B13.
I'm doing
sweet Jesus. That's all
Nice 24.
I'm asking from
Sarah, look like you have the best hand. What?
bingo.
I what? Let's see. Nicholas win the first bingo. Bingo, bingo, bingo. Say it. Bingo, 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 bingo. And I thought Sarah's going to win.
Sarah was supposed to win. Alright, let's see the other team on second.
so for my
The stress
sake.
is real. When one person keeps on getting bingo all the time. All the time. One person. Huh? Bingo, bingo, bingo. Bingo, bingo, bingo. Yeah, you see him, right?
Open the
He always gets
eyes
bingo.
of my heart. I want to see.
And 31, and 31. I get it, I get it. Wah, 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 wah. Wah, wah, wah. Who win again? Nicholas win 3 games in a row. Where you get all this luck from? Oh my God, you're gonna get fired. Vote for Take Out Nicholas. Vote, raise up your hand. You must tell it the boy keep on winning all the sticky game. All the game. You win all the game. You win all the game. Yeah, you're winning too much. You cannot win 3 games in a row. Not possible. Right? And look how that thing back. Look how you mount your hand. Bingo, bingo. Yeah, are you blushing me? Dude, are you blushing me? Huh? You look like that
Lord, I give you my heart. I give you my soul.
You rough.
I live for you
And a
alone.
game to win a
Every
prize.
breath that I take,
One gift
every moment
underneath
I'm
the
away.
Christmas tree.
Have your way in me. Lord,
Oh.
I give you my heart.
Who didn't win a
I
present?
give you my soul. I live for you alone. Every breath that I take, every moment I'm away. Lord, have your way in me.
You have to fill the
This
board.
is
What?
my desire.
Whoa! Fill the board.
Lord,
And one person get 1p.
I worship you.
B64.
When the competition is going
I-22.
stiff. I-22.
B11.
B11. I think we're losing Sarah. Sarah's going down.
B8.
B8.
Moment I'm away.
Middle of the game,
Have
Serena
your way.
is running away. She is running away.
My Jesus,
This is it.
my Savior. Lord, there is none like you.
Stiff competition.
All of my days.
Nick, if Nick has come, I can win.
praise
I-29.
mighty love. My comfort.
Wow, Nicholas are coming back sharp again.
Tower of
We losing
refuge
Sarah.
and strength. Let every breath,
Aye,
all that
the
I
winning
am,
champion.
never cease to
Competition.
worship
B15. B15.
Shout to
Yeah,
the Lord, all the earth, let us sing.
We win.
Power and majesty, praise to the King.
Look at those happy face.
Mountains bow down and
Niggas, the boys win.
At the sound
Hey.
of your name, yeah.
Bingo, bingo, bingo. We're gonna win a prize. It's for you or me. Huh? It's for you or me.
I love you forever. I'll stand. Nothing compares to the promise I have in you. My Jesus, my Savior. There's none like you.
And you feel like a king. All the pressure is coming out. I think how many people gonna start this tradition?
Oh, my favorite picture.
One present, one game until Christmas.
You cannot touch the prize.
Ooh. My hand is getting excited. Ready? Let's see. I choose the big one. Yeah. Oh, there's a number? Number 4. Oh.
Wait. Let me move the rest of the
Since me and you are in a play, we were team to win. We're gonna open a present. Go. Open, bike. Whoa! The bill. Open. Whoa! Here is number you. Oh, definitely. I got to keep mine.
You have to decide if you're keeping or just giving it to somebody.
Oh, what is this?
Looks like you're hit me nice. You know, I should be eliminated right now.
What's a towel?
That's a towel? What is it?
That should be a Nick towel. Nick only.
Well, Kevin chose Mama for giving the present and I give Selena. You happy? You not happy about it? He is mad. You choose Mama for present? You just bribing Mama for nut. Peanut. Come back.